Hey, what's up, everybody? I got a 2012 Chevy Captiva. I'm doing the cabin filter here. It's not too bad. Let me show you how to do it. Okay, guys, so we got this. Let's open it up and get everything out. And you're going to have some screws on top, about 3 of them. 2 on the sides, 1 in the middle. And then there's going to be 3 on the bottom as well. They're Phillips screws. You see one right here, right there, and right there. So let's go ahead and get these out. If you got a little drill like this or just a Phillips screwdriver, it'll work. Let me get these out and then save them. I put them in the cup holder so they won't get lost. Okay, so they look like that. The top and bottom ones, I believe they're the same size. So you can leave this open to get to them. Sorry, I did the bottom ones. Now I'm doing the top ones. As you can see, the thing's open. So once we get this out, we're going to put the screws aside so they don't get lost, and then we're gently going to just pull this towards us. We're going to kind of wiggle it, massage it loose, and just keep pulling it towards us like that. That'll come out. Okay. So make sure you don't lose any of these metal tabs. They should be on the box. Now look, you just pull these tabs up, and then you could pull the lid of this up. I'm gonna have to use 2 hands, but yeah, you just pull the lid up, and then there's the cabin filter. You can see that one's a little dirty, so you can get it out by grabbing it from the side. Just pull it out. Try not to let any leaves fall in the motor. If some leaves fall in, it's not a big deal. You can put the new one in now, and you'll notice on the cabin filter it should say have an arrow. You want to point that arrow down. And there's even an arrow on the box, the black box that says point the arrow down. That's just the airflow. The motor sucks air through the front of the car, and that's just saying that, you know, the filter is made to catch air or catch debris on the other side. So we'll get this in. Alright, now we'll close it, and I recommend you turn it on to test it to make sure it's not making noise or anything. Put that in, and then after you test it and it sounds fine, just go and put these back in. Make sure the metal tabs are on. Just line it up, and you don't need to slam it in. You shouldn't have to force it too hard. Just kind of keep pushing it until it pops in. Once it pops in, we can put the screws in, you know, just the ones we took out earlier. So I went ahead and put them in. 3 on the top, do 3 on the bottom. And that's it, guys. So hope this video helped you out. Please like, comment, subscribe. Any additional information in the comments is appreciated. Again, you could turn this on, make sure everything's working normal, turn your air on. And that's it. So hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next video.